Air Vehicle Fire and Rescue name. Canadair CL-415. Canadair CL-415, also known as the Super Scooper. This amphibious aircraft can scoop up 6,000 liters of water in just 12 seconds. Designed specifically for wildfire suppression, it can fly low and drop water with high precision. Beriev Be-200 Altair. Beriev Be-200 Altair, a Russian amphibious aircraft capable of carrying up to 12,000 liters of water or fire retardant. It can take off from both land and water, making it ideal for reaching remote fire zones. Air Tractor at 802 Fireboss. Air Tractor at 802 Fireboss, a small, agile aircraft equipped with floats for water landings. It can scoop water directly from lakes and is especially useful for firefighting in mountainous or rugged terrain. Avro RJ-85 Air Tanker. Avro RJ-85 Air Tanker. Converted from a commercial jet, this aircraft can carry over 11,000 liters of fire retardant. It's fast, has a long range, and is highly effective for covering wide fire zones quickly. Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane. Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane, a powerful helicopter that can carry up to 10,000 liters of water in an external tank. It can refill quickly and drop water with pinpoint accuracy, perfect for dense forests and mountainous areas. McDonnell Douglas DC-10 Air Tanker. McDonnell Douglas DC-10 Air Tanker, a large aircraft converted from a passenger jet, capable of carrying up to 45,000 liters of fire retardant. It is highly effective for large-scale wildfires and long-range missions.
Think of all the support industries around here too.
Here comes your air tanker.
Wow, look at that.
Lockheed C-130 Hercules. Lockheed C-130 Hercules, a military transport aircraft adapted for firefighting with the MAF's modular airborne firefighting system. It can carry around 13,000 liters of fire retardant and is widely used in emergency fire missions.
speed and payload of the C-130 allows us to deliver more retardant per flight in order to help the firefighters on the ground.
More than any other aircraft in their fleet. They were initially used by the United States Coast
Boeing 747 Supertanker, Boeing 747 Supertanker, once the world's largest firefighting aircraft, capable of carrying up to 74,000 liters of fire retardant. Although retired, it was a symbol of massive aerial firefighting power. Grumman S-2 Tracker, Grumman S-2 Tracker, originally a submarine hunting aircraft, later converted for firefighting. Compact, cost-effective and efficient, it remains popular in countries like Canada and the US. Convair 580 Air Tanker, Convair 580 Air Tanker, a turboprop aircraft with a capacity of around 8,000 liters of fire retardant. It's well suited for mid-range missions and challenging environments. UAV firefighting, UAV firefighting, modern firefighting drones used for early fire detection, aerial monitoring, and small-scale fire suppression. They represent the future of smart and safe firefighting. S-332 Super Puma, S-332 Super Puma, a versatile medium-sized helicopter equipped for aerial firefighting with water buckets or spray systems. It remains stable in strong winds and is effective in rugged terrain. Bell 412, Bell 412, a highly maneuverable helicopter often used for firefighting and rescue operations. It can carry water buckets or deploy firefighters directly to the fire zone. Me-26, Me-26, the world's largest helicopter, capable of lifting up to 20,000 liters of water. It's used in major fire emergencies and large-scale relief operations. Kamov Ka-32, Kamov Ka-32, a Russian twin-rotor helicopter known for its stability in strong winds. It is commonly used in Europe for urban and high-rise building firefighting. A 60 Black Hawk. A 60 Black Hawk, a multi-role military helicopter adaptable for firefighting missions with external water buckets, known for its speed and durability in emergency response. CH-47 Chinook. CH-47 Chinook, a heavy-lift helicopter with twin rotors, capable of carrying large water tanks, widely used in the US for firefighting in mountainous and forested regions.
Refilling base. Light at the top of Topanga Canyon, 100 feet, means 69 Bravo is higher than any potential fire, turning his chopper into a life-saving dive bomb.
P-3 Orion Air Tanker. P-3 Orion Air Tanker. Converted from a maritime patrol aircraft, it carries around 11,000 liters of retardant. It's ideal for long-duration missions over remote wildfire areas. Martin Mars. Martin Mars, a firefighting legend, this massive amphibious aircraft could carry up to 27,000 liters of water. Though retired, it was once the most powerful water bomber in the world.